3D machine control is a modern construction technology that allows operators of excavators and bulldozers to accurately and efficiently control the position, orientation and movement of the equipment based on a 3D design model.
We're here at the Essex Embankments Wallasea site trialling 3D machine control on an embankment project where they're carrying out repair works and need to construct a temporary wider platform for the repair equipment to sit on, for the excavator to have a safe platform to work. The trial is to determine the cost and carbon savings in terms of program efficiency, fuel efficiencies from using 3D machine control technology compared to doing it in a traditional way. So this is one of those examples where additional modelling needs to be carried out to enable machine control to be deployed. However, we expect to see the benefits coming from that, and then we'll be comparing against the effort and costs and time involved in the modelling versus the benefits that you gain during construction. And then we're looking to carry out similar exercises on different asset types to determine where the cost benefits lie in terms of extra modelling to do more advanced construction methods on schemes in the future.
The construction behind me, the machine at the moment is now backfilling what he's cut. So he's used his machine control and the model to be able to cut the steps in to a precise position that allows us to compare from design to actual as-built, and we can see what the efficiencies are on that in terms of how accurate is the machine control against the design and how quickly it took. So in this process he's putting the clay back in layers of about 150 mil, and then we have a compactor which is called a Ramix, and that'll come along and compact the material down, and he'll build that up in layers. When he gets to his final trim, he'll use his GPS control and he'll cut the levels and he'll cut the slope and the batter to the design, and that's been given to us by our designers. So everything that the driver requires and the machine requires is built into the system. When we then move to our traditional method, it will take longer because we'll have to stop the machine, enter the area of work, mark the area for cutting, for levels, and then retract from that area to let the machine continue. And this process will then make things longer. It also kind of hampers the fact that you've got your fuel efficiencies and your time as well. With the designs itself, it allows us to live check, so we can connect to the machine remotely and update as built, and then verify any information that we need to, so that we don't have to stop the machine from working and moving, which is increasing productivity.
This trial is paid for by the Decarbonisation technology Accelerator. While we use this technology very frequently on larger scales of work, we're really interested in understanding, does it make sense from a cost benefit perspective, a carbon benefit perspective, a health and safety benefit perspective, to ask our delivery partners to use this sort of technology on sites like this, which are quite typical. And if the trials are successful and we can prove that the use of this technology does make sense, we expect to be able to repeat this sort of work up and down the country and thus generate quite significant cost and carbon savings across the organisation.
There's been great collaboration between the delivery partners, the Lot 1 Jacobs and the Lot 2 BAM. They've been very supportive, responsive. Also the Eastern Hub PM, the here PM, Rishi, has been really wonderful. The collaboration has really helped how far and how successful this has been. And we are really glad everyone has worked together to achieve this.